Nasdaq Advisory Services is Seth Rosenwasser, joining me today from Nasdaq's office in Sydney, Australia. Seth, thanks so much for joining the program.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Abs- Absolutely. All right. Well, we're thrilled that you could join us all the way from Sydney. And for all of our viewers, Seth is actually based in San Francisco, and he covers the technology, media, and telecom industry. So, Seth, I want to focus today's program specifically on technology. What's going on with the tech stocks these days?
Well, tech stocks are doing exceptionally well. The tech trade is alive and well in Silicon Valley. Capital spending for R&D remains robust, and Silicon Valley remains the paramount place to be for innovation, and that is powering pretty much the stock market as we see it.
Yeah, sure. You mentioned when we were doing some of the preliminary meeting
hmm
that certain tech companies are sitting on a lot of cash. Is that still the case?
That's correct. That is very true. You know, tech companies, not only from the recent tax reform, have been able to bring cash back from abroad, but their success in the markets and have really brought a lot of money into the coffers. And what they choose to do with it is going to be a very interesting thing for investors and obviously for all the analysts that cover these tech stocks.
Yes, of course. And we've obviously seen some announced mergers,
hmm
acquisitions. So there is some industry consolidation happening. Any sort of highlights there in terms of M&A that you're looking at?
Well, specifically in the semiconductor industry, there's been a tremendous amount of M&A. This has been driven, as I said before, by a lot of money and what these companies choose to do with it. Rather than spend profusely on R&D, they can go ahead and buy another company for their patents and their intellectual property to advance their goal of becoming the best and the biggest.
Yeah, absolutely. And what does this all mean for the investment community? Break that down for us quickly.
Well, this pretty much creates a very interesting situation. Companies are growing profusely here in the United States, but as you know, that the stock market has been on an incredible tear, and this is going to create an opportunity where do investors decide to take their gains now and perhaps look for greener pastures abroad in emerging markets? PE levels here in the U.S. stock market are at near record highs, forward-looking PE. Perhaps there would be a time to take your gains and perhaps look to Europe, Japan, other emerging markets, Brazil, India. These are all interesting things that we're focusing heavily on here at Nasdaq. Following the money is critical for us.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, listen, that's terrific insight, Seth. We're going to leave it there for today's program.
No
We
problem.
appreciate all of your insight on the technology sector. We look forward to having you back with another program soon.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for joining us.
Thank you very
And
much,
ladies
Will.
and gentlemen, this is Seth Rosenwasser. He's a technology analyst at Nasdaq Advisory Services, joining us today from the Nasdaq office in Sydney, Australia. Seth, thank you so much again for joining the program. We look forward to having you back on soon.
Thank you, Will. Take care.
And ladies and gentlemen,